everybody. Matt and Forrest here. We got 23-24 Court Kings Basketball Hobby, 8-box number 40, random teams. Good luck. It's a 9. 9 on the random. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kevin P. down to Derek L. And 9 times on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Celtics down to Warriors. Kevin P. Celtics, Mike W. Wolves, Wong S. Pacers, Nelson V. Raptors, Richard R. Grizzlies, Gerard B. Heat, Jason O. Cavs, David H. Suns, Jeremy H. Blazers, Austin K. Pistons, Tim B. Clippers, Michael T. Nets, Orioles C. Wizards, Adam L. Thunder, Chen K. Bucks, Kevin P. Mavericks, Jonathan S. Hornets, Richard R. Hawks, Hano B. Nuggets, Joseph H. Kings, Shintat with the Bulls, J. M. Lakers, Corey F. Spurs, Ryan M. Pelicans, Ben O. Sixers, Craig S. Magic, Kevin P. Knicks, Thomas H. Jazz, Stephen L. Rockets, Derek L. Warriors. Good luck, y'all. I'm not going to recap this one. Just a quick break, and we are behind. Level 1, Hood Shafino. Level 3 is Brandon Miller. There we go, Hornets.
Nice.
Level 3, Brandon Miller. Siakam out of 149 Raptors. DJ, what up, dude?
What's up, DJ?
Jersey, Art Nouveau, game used for the Pelicans. Brandon Ingram. Kings, the 125 rookie auto, heir apparent, Philip Petrusev. Followed by Greedy Dick, works in progress, and a watercolor, Nikola Jokic. Affordable dentures. Nice.
Conrad Filtowski.
You do dentures too? Got Buffkin. Level 2 Prosper for the Mavericks. Jed Howard, works in progress Magic out of 149. Jersey rookie for the Wizards, Bilal Coulibaly. Wizards. Pacers to 25 rookie auto, Isaiah Wong. They whooped the Magic tonight. Lakers self-expression, Shaquille O'Neal. Works in progress, Chris Murray, Blazers. How y'all doing tonight? You were really enjoying this this much better second basketball game of the night?
Yeah, I'm sure. I mean, there's no way you can get worse than that in the first one.
But Zemsky, rookie level 1, Warriors. Level 1, Amen Thompson, Rockets. Scotty Barnes, out of 25 Raptors. All-Star Scotty. Jersey card for the Warriors, Klay Thompson. That's game used. It's a 99 Bucks Impressionist Ink. Bobby Portis, Bucks legend. There he is. Asar Thompson, rookie, first steps for the Pistons. And a watercolor of LeBron James for the Lakers.
DJ, what the heck?
Damn, DJ.
Sorry to hear that.
Jeez, 62 pounds. That's brutal, man. Scoot level 1 for the Blazers. Level 2, Jaime Jaquez, Heat rookie. Jazz, Bryce Sensabaugh to 149, works in progress. Rookie jersey going to the Hawks is going to be Kobe Buffkin. And at 99, you've got a Master Strokes Seth Curry for the Mavericks. I'm sure it does, dude. Well, I hope it gets better and get back on your feet, figuratively and literally. Lively first steps for the Mavericks. And watercolor Hakeem for the Rockets. Level 1, Jed Howard Magic. Level 2 is Strother for the Nuggets. Pure set of 149, Self-Expression Celtics. Spurs game used jersey, Keldon Johnson on the Art Nouveau. After that is Impressionist ink going to the Clippers, Kobe Brown. Rookie to 35. Hawks Self-Expression, Trae Young. And Hendricks works in progress, Jazz. Dang, a month. Whew. They almost passed the score the other game. I think the total is more the other game.
I think it is. I think it
That's
is.
so insane.
God.
Level 1, Noah Clowney. Cam Whitmore, level 3 Rockets. Two nice level 3 rookies in the 8-boxer here. Drew Holiday to 149 Celtics. Oh, I bet, dude. You're going to get a super fractor in that game, I bet. Cavaliers, Art Nouveau, Darius Garland. Game used jersey. Warriors, rookie auto, Trace Jackson Davis. It's out of 125. Good hit, Dubs. Got Luka Doncic watercolor. And Cam Whitmore self-expression. Level 1, Koulibaly Wizards. Level 3, Jaime Jaquez now for the Heat. That's a third level 3 here. Good ones, too. James Harden, numbered to 149 Clippers. Joel Embiid, game used jersey, 76ers. A fresh paint Ruby Redemption, going to go to Atlanta. It's Seth Lundy. Yo, Hawks, Seth Lundy. Watercolor Kevin Durant. Koulibaly self-expression Wizards. Level 1, Brandon Miller. Hornets rookie. Level 2 is Amen Thompson going to the Rockets. Self-expression. Level is Derek Lively. There's no level on this. So 25, though. 5 of 25, Lively. Great card, Mavs. Rookie jersey clips, Kobe Brown. 99, Koulibaly. Heir apparent rookie auto, Wizards. Nice card, Wizards. Self-expression, Jarris Walker, Pacers. And Jed Howard works in progress for the Magic. Y'all, that does it for the break. Thank you again. Prism is next.